Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is in collaboration with Flippin Fridays, and this is hosted by James from Board or Bananas. If you haven't already, I'll leave the link of our channel in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. is my final reveal of all the projects that I want to do in this video. And let me start with a short and quick one. And this you saw in my previous projects. I just had stuck hearts in it for the Valentine's, and then I flipped it up into a spring project. I just removed those hearts, and I stuck this beautiful laser cut butterflies. I love the designs of all the butterflies, and let me tell you, I love butterflies a lot, and who doesn't, right? So and it is spring, so I thought like it'll go along with the theme, and I had one flower next to it just to add the glamour to it. And this one, I have to talk, this is one of my another project, and this bunny I had to paint white, and I stuck one of the tissue paper which had beautiful floral design on it, and I decoupaged it with Mod Podge, and I stuck 3 of the sheer ribbons, pink, dark pink and lavender color, and I grouped it together with some of the florals inside, and I also decorated the top with some greenery and some 2 florals. And these are the cute clothespins which had like bunny body to it with the the pom-pom back, so they are showing the posterior of the bunnies. And this is lavender color, and that's pink, and yeah, this is the bunny sign. I'm very happy how this turned out. If you have any suggestions towards my channel, please leave it in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.